you see squirt bottles like this. Like, really, bro? You spraying juices on people's windows now, bro? Only in New York. Only in New York, guys. Only in New York. Mistreating, huh? I'm sorry, baby. I got you. New bumper coming soon. New headlights coming soon. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing a little update video, a little walk around of how my TL is looking. As if y'all go a few videos back, I made a video on my new project car / daily, but I am thinking about buying a daily for the snow. Nothing to drive around all year round, really just for snow time. I don't know, I might get a Tahoe. No, man, think about a couple cars, but I'll let you know, and then y'all can help me pick what y'all think. But forward to do, let me show you how the car is looking, then we'll talk about what I've done to it so far and what's coming up and why the car, how it is, and what's the plans in the future coming forward. All right, let me show you right now. So here you go, guys. Here's how she's looking. I don't know if I can see it that much, but she's lowered. Excuse me for all this fucking garbage, man. Oof, I love the way she's sitting there. So right now I got BC coilovers on here. These are the extreme lows. So they're actually not how they came from factory. I had to raise them a little because of other reasons that I don't really want to get into. Wheels coming soon. I need to do low control arms before that. I want to do brand new front bumper. I'm thinking about going another OEM Acura bumper like this one, and just adding the forks to it, the long forks, or maybe going the A-Spec and getting the whole A-Spec lip kit. Lights coming soon. Mirrors gotta be installed. I got Type S mirrors now. Oh, let's go to the back. My favorite part. The Acura removed, TL removed. Looks so much better, so much cleaner. Back bumper needs to be done. And then, guys, let me show you what happens when you live in New York. Like, y'all see that? That's all New York. Bumping into me or whatever the case is. But parking. But this is what pisses me off the most. People vandalize other people's shit. As you can see. I park under the train station sometimes, so sometimes my car got a little dirty. But damn, guys, that's not enough. And then over here, the key over here, got a little bit of rust right here. I want to get that fixed. I know a body shop, paint shop that does all of this. Let me know. Got a dent right there on my fucking school bus. All that mark right there on my fucking school bus. Got some rust right here. I want to get that out of it too. And some right there. I'm gonna get a new door. Then this, I don't know what happened to that. One day it's there and the next day it's not. But the mirrors coming soon. And yeah, I think I might just get the car repainted while I'm at it. But besides that, car running strong. The clutch I put in a while back, still good. The interior is minty. Still clean, still good. It's a little messy here. I don't want to show too much because it's kind of messy. Everything works. Sunroof, everything. coming back to from inside the car. Well, there's gonna be a lot more coming, so stay tuned. I'm gonna see if I can install the mirror soon, make a video on that. You know, Black Ice, guys, my favorite air freshener for cars. Black Ice, yo. If you haven't tried it, you gotta try Black Ice and orange together, yo. Beautiful mix. Makes your car smell mad good. What was I gonna say? Tinting the front window soon, so stay tuned for that. If you wanna see the picture and basically the little blog on it that I'm gonna do, so it'll be on my Instagram. Go subscribe, hit that like button, comment, go hit that follow button on my Instagram at 6BTL. Go do that. Besides that, catch ya later.